All right, slow rollers. So over the winter, I've done a lot of work to this bike, and I just kind of want to go over everything. I did the RFY shocks, the smaller, stiffer shocks. I got from Studs. Uh, they are absolutely incredible. It didn't change the ride height to the point to where I necessarily need a chain tensioner. I'm not having any issues with it. No bearing issues whatsoever. Uh, we've got a juggernaut on it, 725 belt. Uh, let's see what else. We did a custom paint and stickers for the Slow Rollers group. Did it all myself. I think it turned out awesome. It's got a billet flywheel, 265 hot cam, 22-pound springs. It's port and polished. I put in a step-up muffler. It seems to liven it up a little bit, seems to help quite a bit. We did a 22 millimeter Mikuni. I'm running a 145 main and a 15 pallet. Seems to be running fantastic. If anybody has any jetting questions. Now that comes down to altitude and all that as well. We're in Kentucky, so for this kind of engine, that'll get you pretty close on your jetting. I did a copper line from the gas tank out. I think it looks really awesome. New waffle van grips, 7/8, nibby throttle. And that's about it. The only thing that I have left on it now to this point is I think putting up some brake lights on it and some running lights. Like to be a little safer out on the road. But I figured I'd show everybody that loves the mb200s as much as I do how my build came out.